Palgwe Yuk Jang. Jumbi. Back stance, middle knife block. Front kick, center punch. Repeat the other side. Big stance down block into hand knife high block and attack. Front kick, cross stance back fist. Back stance double knife low. Big stance double block. Front kick, two center punch. Repeat the other side. Back stance double knife middle block into big stance high block and palm strike. Front kick, big stance back fist with the kiap. Front kick, big stance high block. Side kick with the right leg, double knife middle block to the front. And baro.